Wig Shopping 1, a beginner's guide. Hello and welcome to our channel. We're so glad you're here. Are you a first-time wig shopper or just looking for some guidance on finding your perfect match? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're going to dive into the world of wigs and cover everything you need to know to make your shopping experience a breeze. Wig types and fit. Let's start with the basics. Wigs primarily come in two types, human hair and synthetic. Human hair wigs, made from real human hair, offer a supernatural look, can be heat styled and are generally more durable, though they tend to be pricier. On the other hand, synthetic wigs are crafted from artificial fibers. They're often more affordable, available in a vast array of colours and styles, and are easy to maintain. However, they might appear less natural and typically can't withstand heat styling. When it comes to wig cap construction, you'll find a few common types. Lace front wigs feature a thin, translucent lace base at the front. Full lace wigs have a lace base covering the entire head, and monofilament wigs use a thin, breathable mesh base. Finding the perfect fit is crucial, and it all starts with accurate measurements. You'll need to measure your head circumference, ear to ear and nape to crown. Most wig retailers provide a size chart to help you determine your ideal wig size. When trying on wigs, whether online or in person, make sure the wig is securely fastened, adjust the straps for a comfortable fit, and test the cap size. While online try-on is convenient, in-person try-on often gives you a better sense of the wig's feel and fit. Styling and care. Now that you've found your perfect fit, let's talk about styling your wig. Basic techniques like brushing, teasing, and using appropriate heat styling tools can help you achieve your desired look. For wig care and maintenance, remember to clean your wig regularly. A light hold hairspray can be your best friend for finishing touches, helping to keep your style in place all day. Where to shop. Finally, let's discuss where to shop. There are many trusted retailers, both online and in physical stores. When shopping online, always make sure to read reviews and check the return policy. You can also often find budget-friendly options and discounts. And that's it for today's video. We hope you found this beginner's guide to wig shopping helpful. Remember, wearing a wig is all about confidence and self-expression. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.